Best Emailer, Getresponse Email Software Review 2021. In this brief but in-depth Getresponse video, you will learn about the best emailer, Getresponse. You will also learn about Getresponse email software pricing, its pros and cons. At the end, it is you who will decide if Getresponse email software is right for you and your business. If that's okay by you, let's head over to my laptop and get started. No doubt, with the increasing number of email marketing software on the market, it can be a serious challenge choosing the right one for your business. Nevertheless, this is a decision you must take if you intend to scale your business opportunities in the long run. You are watching this video probably because you are about to make a decision on the best email automation tool you want for your business. Yet, you are still wondering if Getresponse is the right fit for your business. Well, I'm convinced that this short review about Getresponse will help you. So, without much ado, let's get started. What is Getresponse? Getresponse is an all-in-one email marketing software that allows you to 1. Create a mailing list in order to capture leads and subscribers. 2. Send personal and customized emails to the subscribers on your mailing list. 3. Automate the emails to be sent to your subscribers hands-free at any time and from anywhere in the world. 4. View and analyze data related to your email campaigns. For example, open rate, click-through rate, subscribers, demography, etc. Because of the increase in customer expectations in recent years, Getresponse has now expanded to provide such services as e-commerce, webinar hosting, landing page builders, automated sales funnels, plus its core email marketing. Getresponse history. Getresponse has been in business since 1998, and according to the company, over 350,000 individuals and businesses now use the platform for their business. The Polish-based company's global reach extends to 182 countries, claiming to engage over 1 billion subscribers every month. That's lots of emails. Although its user base is not as big as those of some other email marketing tools, notably MailChimp and However, it is large enough to instill confidence that the company is well established and is not likely to disappear anytime soon. Getresponse pricing. There are 4 Getresponse subscription payment plans. 1. Basic plan. Starting at $15 per month, you can send an unlimited number of emails to up to 1,000 subscribers. 2. Plus plan. Starting at $49 per month, you can send emails to up to 1,000 subscribers. 3. Professional plan. Starting at $99 per month, you can send emails to up to 1,000 subscribers. 4. Max plan. This is an advanced plan for big businesses and organizations. The monthly price is negotiable. At the max level, you can expect to pay $450, $499 or $580 per month to use Getresponse with a list containing 100,000 subscribers on the basic, plus and professional plans respectively. Decent discount up to 18% and 30% respectively are available if you pay upfront for 12 or 24 months of service. Note, as you add more subscribers to your email list, your monthly cost increases. In addition to the paid plans shown above, you can get a 30-day free trial by clicking the link in the description box below. Key similarities between plans. All of Getresponse's plans cover the email marketing basics you would expect. Such features include Ability to import, grow, and host a subscriber list. Ability to select themes to use for your e-newsletters. Autoresponder functionality. Responsive email designs. Split testing. Landing page builder. In-depth reporting. RSS/blog to email functionality. Key differences between plans. There are a number of differences between the Basic, Plus, and Professional plans, which are listed below. 1. Team management. You can only have one user account on the Basic plan. However, you get 3 on Plus, 5 on Professional, and 10 on Enterprise plan. 2. Automation Builder. The Automation Builder, which allows you to build complex autoresponder sequences based on user behavior, is only available on the Plus plan or higher. You can create 5 automations on the Plus plan or an unlimited number on the other plans. 3. Webinars. This functionality is not available at all on the Basic plan, and the number of webinar attendees is capped for the Plus, Professional, and Enterprise plans at 100, 300, and 500 respectively. 4. Conversion funnels. You get access to more automated sales funnel as you go up the pricing ladder. 5. E-commerce. The abandoned order recovery feature is only available on the Plus plan or higher. Getresponse pricing compared to that of its competitors. In terms of pricing, the monthly entry-level Basic plan of Getresponse is cheaper than those provided by many of its key competitors, especially if you have a reasonably large number of email addresses on your database. You can host a database containing up to 1,000 email addresses for just $15 a month with Getresponse, compared to $29 per month on Aweber and Campaign Monitor, and $14.99 per month on MailChimp's standard plan. As you go up the pricing ladder, Getresponse remains competitively priced. If you have a contact list containing 10,000 records, hosting it on Basic Getresponse plan costs $65 per month. Mathematically, you'll find that Getresponse is $4 per month cheaper than Aweber, $24 per month cheaper than Campaign Monitor, $40 per month cheaper than MailChimp's standard plan. Notice that while MailChimp charges you to host both subscribed and unsubscribed contacts, which can become a significant hidden cost, Getresponse only charges you for your active subscribers. With Getresponse, if you pay 1 or 2 years subscription upfront, you will enjoy substantial discounts that other competitors don't yet give. Pros and cons of Getresponse. Pros of using Getresponse. 1. It is pretty user-friendly. 2. Getresponse Basic plan is cheaper than many of its key competitors while offering just as much, if not more. 3. The discounts you receive when paying upfront for 1 or 2 years of service are extremely generous. 4. Gives you real advanced features when it comes to marketing automation. 5. Its flexible approach to data segmentation makes list management really straightforward, outshining many of its competitors. 6. Getresponse webinar functionality is great. I haven't come across this functionality on similar products. 7. Its conversion funnel feature is potentially useful for small businesses who want to manage all aspects of their social media ads, sales funnel, and e-commerce activity under one roof. 8. Its reporting features are comprehensive. 9. Getresponse is transparent about deliverability rates, publishing figures in websites, and providing deliverability statistics for the e-newsletters you send. 10. All Getresponse plans come with a useful landing page creator that facilitates A/B testing, something that could potentially save you a lot of money. 11. Custom DKIM is provided. 12. Support is provided in a wide variety of languages. 13. It integrates nicely with Google Analytics and other metric tools. 14. It's pretty good at meeting GDPR regulations. 15. Without any need to enter your credit card details, you can enjoy a 30-day free trial here by clicking the link in the description box below. Cons of using Getresponse. 1. The drag and drop interface for creating landing pages and forms are a bit fiddly and need improvement. 2. Although you can use the Facebook Pixel with Getresponse landing page feature, you can't do so in a GDPR compliant way. 3. Improvements could be made to how data capture forms work so that users have the option to switch them on and off on mobile devices. 4. There is a hard limit to 500 webinar attendees. And 5. No phone support is provided unless you are on a Max plan. 6. Split testing functionality is limited to subject headings and content. Bottom line. So, which is the best emailer? The above points clearly shows that Getresponse stacks up better than its competitors in the pricing department. It's the best email marketing tool for newbies and entrepreneurs or any person who is on a low budget. And most importantly, it's my #1 recommended email solution. Now, it's up to you. What do you think? Click the first link in the description box below to grab your Getresponse 30 days free trial. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you'll be the first to be notified when I drop. Till I see you in the next video.